You excited for this one?
Yeah, it's my favorite. This is how much Maxim was eating today. And easy and delicious.
Yeah, it's healthy, it's clean, it's not heavy. All right, good morning everyone and welcome to another Fit Vegan cooking video. Today we're gonna make a quick, refreshing lunch because we're on the go. So we're gonna grab some ingredients that we have into our fridge and we're gonna make a delicious Buddha bowl. You excited for this one?
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Yeah, I'm very hungry, so we're gonna skip over to Ivy that's gonna share with you guys the ingredients we're gonna be using for the recipe today.
All right, for our Buddha bowls recipe, we'll start with the base. We got some kale salad here, some white rice, and again, you can do variations. Brown rice, quinoa,
Black rice, teff, forbidden rice, farro. Name all your grains.
Pick your favorites. Grape tomatoes.
For our veggies.
Bell pepper, cucumbers, and then Maxim's favorite, olives.
Yeah, black olives. I like green olives, but this is optional because Ivy doesn't like it.
On top, you can use avocado slice. Oh, this is my favorite. Mangoes and some tangerines.
Yeah, just to make it more refreshing for the summer, we add fruits on top of it.
Yeah, whichever one's seasonal. And then on top, your protein, we're adding tofu. And of course, some world's creamiest hummus.
Yeah, so introduction from Chuck when he came over to cook with us. So that's basically gonna be our dressing. That's gonna be adding more protein to it, and it is also oil-free. So yeah, basically we're just gonna put this all together. And the first step I think is gonna be putting the tofu in the air fryer because that's what's gonna take the longest, and then we'll start cutting out the veggies.
Perfect, and spiced lemon for some of you that's wondering what it is.
All right, so now first thing we're gonna do is prep our tofu. Oh my God, there you go. Cut the sides, drain it. You can do, again, this is more of a quick dish. You can obviously do a tofu press. You can marinate it. You can do a lot of things with it. But again, this is a really quick meal. So you're gonna cut it up in smaller cubes, just so it cooks better in the air fryer. Because again, I want to get it done in 20 minutes because I am hungry. My cooking skills have improved. You guys let me know in the comment section below if they've improved from the first video. So again, very minimal amounts of tofu, but we're going to be adding some hummus on top of it as well. So I'm just going to add a little bit of turmeric. Oh my God, the whole thing almost went. We recorded another cooking video that may or may not be live at this point. I made a whole mess when we're trying to cover the tofu with our spices. We're going to add a little bit of cumin as well. A little bit, a lot. And then some smoked paprika. Again, nothing fancy. Just gives it a nice bright color to it.
Smoky flavor.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab this in the air fryer. So basically half the block is gonna be for me, half the block's gonna be for tofu, for Ivy. That's your new name, Tofu. Your name is Tofu and our dog is Tempeh. There you go.
Perfect.
All right, so we're just gonna put on for 20 minutes for each zone. And then we're gonna start this guy here. Put it back here. Gonna bring our cutting board back. So now what we're gonna do is chop off our bell peppers, cucumber, and then our cherry tomatoes. I'll just grab a bowl here so we can just put it all in there. We have our nice little bowls from the Philippines. Again, you can cut it up into smaller pieces if you want to. But if they're too small, it's really hard to stab with the fork, so. Look at this. Look at the motion of the ocean.
Oh Lord.
That is some master chef skills right here. Oh, no, you didn't see that one. So we got our cucumber. And if you want to make meal prep easier, you can just, take a Sunday, pre-cut a bunch of vegetables, pre-cook a bunch of rice, cook a bunch of tofu. And then when it's time for you to make your lunch, just, grab all your different containers, throw the rice, throw some greens in there, throw a bunch of veggies, throw some fruits on top of it, some tofu, and then boom, you have your Buddha bowl. And again, healthy meal, fast and easy to make. For our bell peppers, chop off the top like this. All right, a few little taps, cleaned it out. See, I'm learning, reverse of the knife, everything. I know you guys are proud that are watching this.
Came a long ways.
Yeah.
Look at your slicing skills.
I know. Cut to the next clip, it's me chopping my finger. Yeah, I'll do bigger pieces of bell peppers because it gives it a little crunch. I made sure to grab a yellow one, so it added extra color on top of the green cucumbers and the tomatoes. Those are grape tomatoes?
Grape.
Grape tomatoes, huh?
I have no idea. Oh, because cherry tomatoes are more round. That's longer.
Yeah. Well, maybe we've tried them before, but I don't remember seeing grape tomatoes.
They're just grape size looking shape.
Guess what they taste like?
Grapes.
Tomato. Alright, so we cut a bunch of these guys. And I'm doing good time. 3 minutes, the air fryer, it's a race. The goal is to have everything ready to assemble by the time the tofu is ready and done. I'm sure there's a more efficient way to cut these tomatoes. Try one on the camera. Try one on the camera. There you go. It's juicy, right?
Crunchy.
Nice little summer vibe to it.
You don't even have to slice them.
Alright?
Maybe you don't even need to slice them.
Yeah. I'm just being extra.
Yes, you are.
Alright. So we'll just use that for tomatoes for now. Now next thing we're going to do is prep our fruit. The oranges are going to be pretty easy to do.
My arm's getting tired.
The mango is going to be, just ignore Ivy's comment. The mango is going to be the next one. Okay, we'll put it on the tripod. We'll be right back. All right, we put the camera on the tripod to give Ivy a break. Ivy, come in the shot so people can see that you're not doing anything.
I take a break.
Take a break. All right, so chop off our mango. We're going to slide it, cut it like this. Well, it's pretty much, good thing we're eating it today. It's pretty much done after this. All right. Do you want to grab a spoon, Valerie? And then we're going to be able to scoop out the mango. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Always.
Yeah. What did you work out, Ivy, today?
My back.
That's why she has a hard time holding the camera.
It's shaking.
Because of her back.
I'm so sorry.
There you go. Okay, so we're going to put this in here. You want to do it?
No, you do it.
Oh my God. Putting me to work.
You only do work when we're cooking.
What?
You do all the cooking behind the scenes.
I know.
Boing.
I do all the cooking behind the scenes. Probably need to cut it up a little bit better, but for the most part, we got some cubes in there.
Can you guys see it? So good. No, don't eat.
What do you mean don't eat? I'm hungry.
It's mine.
Now that we have everything cut up, the next step is going to be pretty simple. There's 13 minutes and a half here. We have our containers of rice. Again, just for the sake of this video and showing how to make food quickly, we're going to open these little containers. Ah, there you go. I got it. Système D, a débrouillard. Those in French understood that. That's what my dad told me when I grew up. He's like, I can't do it. He's like, basically says Système D. Débrouillard is like figure it out, basically.
System D?
Like be resourceful.
So it's like A, B, C, then D, all of the above.
Basically, like system D is like a system R. Like be resourceful, basically, if you can't do it. So we're gonna put this on for 90 seconds. Again, you can cook the rice. You can use a rice cooker if you want to, but just for the sake of this video, we're making it a little bit faster. 90 seconds for this one, 90 seconds for this one. So Ivy and I get each one. So this is 310 calories plus half a block of tofu is 485 calories, half a block of tofu plus the rice. And then obviously we're gonna add a whole bunch of veggies. The mango will add a little bit of calories to it. And then the hummus is gonna add some calories as well, 50 calories. So this whole thing's 500 calories basically. So if you grab a quarter of it, it shouldn't be too bad. But again, Ivy's working on putting on some muscles.
Right
Look
there.
at this. Look at the little chest muscle, look at the little biceps. She's been working out hard. All right, so now all we're gonna do is wait for the tofu to be ready, and then we'll check in with you guys to assemble everything together.
Okay, so the exciting part, I'm finally creating my Buddha bowl.
Assembling everything together. Look how
Assembling.
beautiful and colorful this is.
So we'll start with our base. So we'll start with his kale. Is this good enough?
More.
Half the bag? That enough? Or do you want more?
What do you think, people?
Yes, more.
All right, more. There you go. I'm a growing man.
And
6'4", going on 6'6".
Our rice will just go on top, just like that. Beautiful already. Now for our veggies. Maxim love bell peppers. So
Some bell peppers in there.
make it. Whoa! Didn't see
Oh
that.
no.
Nothing happened.
Tempeh's not here to eat it. That's fine. Yeah, I leave some for you.
I don't think he's allowed to eat this.
No bell pepper. I didn't say anything then. We definitely don't feed Tempeh food. He's not supposed to.
Some cherry or grape tomatoes. Oh, look at all that bright colors. Come on.
As beautiful as you.
Thank you. See, that's why you get married. You get compliments for life. I mean, I guess depends on who you marry, but He's a good one. More cucumbers. This is for the crunch effect. So good.
So then what I would do is probably press it down. I should have grabbed a bigger bowl because we need to put the tofu.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, so the tofu, I get a half of a container.
So then some mangoes.
Can't go wrong with mangoes in a Buddha bowl.
No, so you're only getting that much.
Okay.
Wait,
that's
can
perfect.
I take some back?
Oh, what? She wants more mango for herself.
You didn't see that. And then, oh look, skills.
Yeah, so the thing with the size of meals that I eat, you need big bowls.
Yeah, need a bigger bowl. As my mom.
All right, so next step is, let's do some black olives. Black olives and hummus, because I'm going to run out of space. We're going to throw an avocado on top of there, but we'll keep it for another dish.
Is this enough?
Yeah, that's fine.
That looks so pretty.
I know.
And then this guy's last.
Yeah, so that's going to be our dressing.
How much do you want?
Like a quarter of it.
Ooh, yes! This is how much Maxim is eating today.
How much does that bowl weigh?
It's pretty heavy. It's like
Few
10 pounds.
10 pounds? Oh my God. All right, now we're gonna assemble Ivy's bowl and then we'll check in with you guys after. All right, there we have it. Oh, almost lost some little orange here. We have our delicious Buddha bowl for lunch.
Wait, I'm gonna show mine.
All right, Ivy, yeah, a little bit less calories for Ivy. So again, you guys saw, we'll list ingredients down below, but the quantities of each ingredient, that's totally up to you and what your caloric needs are going to be for that meal and for the day. This is just dependent on, you know, the type of breakfast that I have. I didn't really get to have lunch because I was busy running errands. So there's more calories in there for me. So I'd say roughly like 450 to 750 calories, you know, depending on how much hummus and tofu you put in there. You want to give it a shot?
Yeah.
All right.
First bite.
Get some rice, some tofu.
Get a bunch of stuff in here.
And the hummus is spicy. Mm-hmm. Spicy lemon is actually real, like, not real spicy, but it's spicy enough to be like, oh shit, there's a kick to it. So if you guys want to give it a shot, again, you have the recipe, you have the video here. So if you enjoy these types of videos, be sure to let us know by either liking the video, by letting us know in the comment section below. Feel free to subscribe if you aren't subscribed to the channel yet, because we have a goal of hitting 50,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And we're already well on our way in that direction. So we've got a lot in the past few months, so we appreciate all the love and support. And Ivy, any last words you'd like to add before we eat our late lunch?
This is my type of favorite dish. Quick and easy and delicious.
Yeah, it's healthy, it's clean, it's not heavy. Again, adding fruits to it just makes it lighter and feels, yeah. And having an oil-free hummus as well just helps it not be as heavy of a dish. So if there's any recipes you'd like for us and for Ivy and I to make, and potentially turn it into a fit vegan recipe. So find a way to increase the protein content, lower the calorie content, while focusing on keeping it whole food, plant-based. Feel free to send us those either, you know, on social media, on email, or in the description down below, so that we can veganize them. Fit veganize the recipe so we can make them better for your body recomposition goal. So we appreciate you all, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Ciao, everyone.